Trolley Tote unfolds from its flat storage profile and locks securely to form a durable, large-capacity basket. A telescopic handle fully extends, while quiet rubber trolley wheels allow easy handling in the grocery store or market. The Trolley Tote is MTX QuickTrack compatible for secure slide-and-click mounting and removal on all Topeak MTX racks. An optional cargo net easily clips to the Trolley Tote to keep cargo secure while cycling.
Let's ride. Be seen, be safe. As a cyclist, that's a pretty good motto. And lights built right into a helmet, now that's a sight to see. High and bright, all the better for eyes on the road. And yeah, these LEDs do turn signals. Click the remote, or check this. Apple Watch, gesture recognition. You do the hand signal, Apple Watch does the thinking, and Lumos does the blinking. Automatic warning lights are pretty handy too.
Hey, nice helmet.
Thanks. You'll get that too.
Lumos even syncs with Strava and your iPhone's activity tracker. Whether you ride the night or ride the day, be seen, be safe with Lumos.
Meet ELEMNT Bolt, the new GPS bike computer from Wahoo, offering all the power and simplicity of the Wahoo ELEMNT in a design built for performance. Created in collaboration with Metron Advanced Equipment, the most innovative minds in composite design, ELEMNT Bolt is more than a sleek head unit. It's an aerodynamically advanced mount and computer system designed to significantly reduce wind resistance. The result is a bike computer that does more than help you track your best times. It helps you achieve them.